So this video is just to show you how to cook scrambled eggs in the microwave. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add a little splash of milk. You don't need a lot. Give them a good whisk with the fork and season to taste with a little salt and pepper. Pop the eggs into the microwave and turn the microwave on to high for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, remove the eggs from the microwave and stir with the fork. Because all their eggs vary in sizes, at this point we're going to return the eggs into the microwave for an additional 10 seconds. This may be enough, or you may need to use another 10 seconds. Remove the eggs from the microwave again and break up with a fork. If they're still too runny, return to the microwave for another 10 seconds and continue this process until the eggs are suited to your liking. Once you're happy with the consistency, keep mixing the eggs gently as the heat of the eggs will continue to cook. And voila! Scrambled eggs in under 2 minutes.